Toastmasters is a globally recognized communication and leadership development organization. We recently completed 100 years in existence. Last year in 2024, we were formed in 1924, and we are based on a peer-to-peer model of learning, where there are various clubs or chapters of different members who come together for the purpose of improving their self-confidence and leadership skills. So in simple, that is what Toastmasters is.
Right. Thank you, Sushil. So Toastmasters International is a global organization, and it is divided into regions across the whole world. And then further, those regions have districts in them. So we are a part of District 126, and our geography is the whole of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Vidarbha, that is Nagpur, and the state of Odisha as well. So that is District 126. We have about 80 clubs, roughly, approximately. And these clubs can be corporate, community, college clubs, all of us with one objective: to become better communicators and effective leaders.
So for anybody who wants to join Toastmasters, you can simply go to www.toastmasters.org. On the top right, you can see Find a Club. You click that and you can see the list of clubs which are near to your place. That is how you can join an existing club. In order to open a new club, again, you can go to www.toastmasters.org and you can submit your request. In these places like Hyderabad, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Nagpur, we have our presence in all social media handles. That can be Instagram, that can be Facebook, and that can be LinkedIn. So you can reach out to us directly over chat, we will be responding. And you can directly go to www.district126.org and place your request to start a club. Our club growth office will directly contact you and we will start the club process, club chattering process.